Hi all, we're back again. More winter jobs to do and more noisy chickens. Shush. Yeah, the winter jobs never end, do they? Got some more weeding to do. We've got to cut some canes. We've got to trim back the hedge a bit. One day I've got to look at doing that lilandii. As you can see, he's facing off again. Please get involved. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, which is generally quite a lot. Like, share, comment. We appreciate whatever you can do in any small way. Cheers. So when we're down the local co-op, there's a knock-off section, and you can get a lot of vegetables that are just on the verge of going rotten. We got lettuce here, I think it's 19 pence. Chickens love it. We've got a chicken cameraman here as well, by the looks of it. Yeah, you. Filming a chicken eating. So luckily we've got a plentiful supply of canes via this hazel or cob nut. We can cut these down every year and we've got a plentiful supply, but if you haven't got one of these, there's other things you can use. These sticks from our fuchsias are also really good, strong. Strip them of all the spines and you got some good canes there. Generally just get one end and strip them down and you've got good decent canes to work with. Shush, you. Oh, you need some food here. Come on, off we go. Another source of canes is buddleia. Good strong, again, strip them down, take off any base areas that aren't needed. And you've got a good strong cane. That should do. So fuchsia and buddleia canes you can use in the garden. Builder's bag. Oh, it's gone dark. That's what I need. Probably a couple of these. In fact, this is a better state, this one. We're getting all the stuff off the compost that it'll just take too long to rot down, so we're going to take some of that to the dump. I keep all the grass, but some of these bigger clippings are just too bulky to rot down in time. So we've got the RSPB bird count, bird watch, whatever it is, this weekend. So I want to try and load up some of the feeders and see what we get. We've got some, oh, this is a bit leaky. Squashed down fruit at the bottom of that, but fat balls, more fat balls. So it's a case of finding out best place to hang them now. So I'll probably use one of these branch stubs here. I've got to be careful because we've got lovely snowdrops coming up all around the base here. It's fantastic. So I don't want to tread on them. Oh dear, already have. I'm hoping it can hang off that. we shall see. I'll have to get a picture of some of these snowdrops, or some that I haven't trampled already anyway. That's another one done. Thanks so much for joining us. We really do appreciate it. I know we're only small beans compared to the big boys and girls, but we try our best. Please like and share if you can, leave some comments, and just remember, do what makes you happy. We'll see you next time.